check out this RGB floor lamp. This thing is really, really cool. First off, it comes unassembled, so you do have to put it together, but it's very simple to put it together. It has a really solid base to it, and you plug this thing in, and you get some really cool colors and patterns. On the cord, there's also a button, so you can change it to different things, like just a regular light and some colors, just shuffling through. Or you can connect it to the app. So through the app, you have all these different scenes like Carnival, Cosmic, Glacier, Lake. I mean, it goes on and on. Candles, really nice. You also have Spooky, Mystic, different holidays that you could pick, like Christmas. In color mode, you can just pick whatever color you want just by dragging it around. You can also just set it on temperature and have like a white light or a warm light, right, like that. There's some presets down below there. And you can pick what you want. So if you're using a certain mode like sparkle or blink, you can do like subsections here or loops. You can also adjust the speed. You can even say random color, or you can pick your color. You can put it on music mode, so it actually goes with any music that you're playing. You can also just have it like on breathing. You can have it like with twinkle or like an ambient, or you can set it on hopping. So it's very small, like very thin too, so you wouldn't even know it's there. I love having these like in the corner of a room, so I highly recommend this floor lamp. It's really nice, and thanks for watching.